So the time now is 6:45 p.m. Yeah, so this is the outcome of the finishing or concrete pouring today. So now it's finished. So the only remaining concrete we need to put here is this stormwater channel here. So once it dries after 3 days, I'm going to remove all the shutters and start laying the PVC pipe and do the same process as the previous ones, and then pour concrete, and then that's the finish. So probably today is 14, so plus 3 days 17, so 2 days or 3 days I'm going to remove the formworks. It depends if it's raining or it's cold, so I make it 3 days. So yeah, this nice outcome actually. Yeah, all right. So this, as like what I said, this is the area where we're gonna put the stones or gravel, same as this side here. The purpose of that gravel is to filter the water or the seepage coming from the retaining wall. So alright, thank you so much, and yeah, this is the outcome of the job or work I have done for today. Yeah, and today is Wednesday, 14th October 2020. Yeah, thank you so much. See you next time. God bless. Please be safe. Bye for now.